Hi, so I am at the park, okay? Hi. So, okay, wait, listen. I have to tell you something. It's very urgent. That if you want something in life, then ask for it. A very little, incident in my life, and I just want to share you. बहुत simple सा incident है. I know maybe someone like कि इसमें क्या था? ये तो बहुत simple चीज़ थी. I know it's very simple, but no, it teach me a lesson, and I just want to share you. I am in the park right now, and I have been recording for the last 10 days. With no excuse of views, likes, or whatsoever. But it's the problem, like I won't be able to record it in my PG. So I thought maybe we'll record it in a park. There's a park near to me. So I thought I will record it at the park. But the park band hota tha, like 5 till 5 it is closed. So like people will come there, do whatever they want to do. Like park is for all the people, not for me only. So I thought let it be. And for the last 5 days, मैं सिर्फ वही बंद park को देख के चली जाती थी. Like what can I do? But today it hit me that I can ask them for the keys, like it's a bar, so anyone can open it for me. It's not something illegal or whatsoever. So I just asked them, and they didn't even question anything like what do you want to do or whatsoever. They just opened it, like yeah, of course, why not? See, I'm after it, like how can I ask for someone like what do you? पता नहीं वो क्या कहेगा, पूछेगा कि क्या वीडियो बनाती है, हम क्यों खोले, टाइमिंग नहीं है, बहुत सारे एक्सक्यूजेस हो सकते थे, बट दे डिडंट आस्क. So इतनी बड़ी कहानी के पीछे बस छोटा सा समरी है. It is कि if you want something, just ask for it. We didn't ask the people like with the fear of that maybe they will scold you, maybe it will be embarrassing, maybe they will deny or something like that. With all these excuses. But I just want to say कि if you want it, ask for it without the fear of it. Like what if they scold you? Does it gonna stick to you? Obviously not. It will not stick to your body that oh my god he scolded you or whatsoever. So ask for it if you want. Like अगर चाहते हो तो पूछो ना. तुम्हें यूनिवर्स खुद से तोड़ देगा. पूछना पड़ेगा, मांगना पड़ेगा. So listen. If you want something, ask for it. If you need help, ask for it. If you need space, guidance, opportunity, ask for it. Ask it. What will happen? Nothing will happen. Like the worst thing is they can say no. But what if they said yes? अगर पूछोगे नहीं तो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ कैसे मिलेगी? एक बार पूछ के तो देखो. अगर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा नहीं कहेंगे उससे ज़्यादा क्या कहेंगे? और अगर हाँ कह दिया तो फिर that's all I want to say. Ask for it if you want. And अगर पूछोगे मना कर देंगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा. पर अगर पूछोगे ही नहीं तो मिलेगा कैसे?